Hey, what is up everyone? So today we will be putting on the LED lights for the Focus ST. So today is kind of a busy day here at the house where I live at. There's family over, there's people outside and everything. So for the lights, you guys can see, I also have my fog lights on, but these ones, little halogens because it is the ST1 package. They're gonna come with projectors. So for this car, all I wanted to do was the low beams. These are, if I believe, they're H11s. So for this, we're going to be using these H11s for the low beams. The high beams are also, I may also do, and let me, hold on. Okay, so the low beams are H11s, and the high beams are H1s. In case you wanted to do the high beams, I will also be doing high beams. I bought these for, well, these are the low beams. I have high beams that are for E46 with the projectors, but that's something I did not show anyone, so I'll show you guys later about this. So let's go ahead and get these changed. So once you have your hood open, to install you have two screws, one here and one here. That way you can remove it and pop it up, because there is like no space right here. You see this little bar right here? There's no space, and that's how you're gonna be able to do this. I believe these are either T20 screws, I believe, but I cannot find my set of Torx, so I'm going to be using a flathead, since you can also use that. Easily just do this. So let's get to it. Okay, so like we said, these are H11s, and this is an H1 for the high beams. These are simple. If anything, they look like you can just unscrew it from right here, and I believe we might have to even, just this, twist it, and you're able to remove the whole light like that. So then I'll just put the new one on, and that's about it. So this is the LED one. You guys can see it's a lot brighter compared to the halogen one. You can kind of see that this side over there is a little bit brighter, but definitely am going to do the high beams as well. These are H1s. I just had to double check and see how it's supposed to be done, since I do have the LED ones, and then it comes with this little resistor box. So you guys can see it's LED and a little resistor box here. So this is the end result. I wish I had a before and after, but I mean, it looks a lot better, even, I mean, without the glare here and there. From the lens, it looks really much more aggressive down here, because you can see a little bit more. It looks absolutely nice, and my windshields are on, but definitely we'll try this out. Unfortunately, I did not do the high beams, was because it doesn't fit. This does not have the ribbons, which creates surface area. I have the dissipating fins to create surface area, plus the fan that goes inside to cool them down. If you guys have any questions regarding this kind of setup here, where I bought it from, I will put a description down below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.